Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I have a new tool. This one here was sent to me by a friend. A very nice gesture. Now I actually thought it was the hinge shocter, but it's called the Hulk. Part number HA2HULK. Now I'm going to use this in a second. Just wanted to pull it out and see what it is. So basically it's a big bit of aluminium. Got the Allen key. Okay, so point arrow this way towards lock set. The door must remain closed when adjusting. Side A, side B. The Hulk. Model HA2. Alright, first time ever. Let's try this thing. I've got a door just ready. This side towards lock set. So what's happening here is the door is hitting the frame. So we need to pull it this way. See how the Hulk works. Door must remain closed. We need to tighten that. Loosen this one. This side towards lock set. Probably should have read the instructions. I should be able to tighten this down. There we go. Start at the top. Bend. Loosen. Tighten again. Okay, so that's this one. These two are connected to the door. Oh, look at that. See a nice cap. Door opens up nicely. Classroom. So all this damage here. Look at that gap. I'm going to say that was a success, the Hulk. Any damage? No. Pretty impressive. Was able to bend these metal frame hinges. This is a wooden door, metal frame. Didn't do any damage to the door. Actually pulled this one, and this one backwards. And once again this one backwards. And all that hitting for all those years. It's like brand new. Thanks for watching.